Do you love beautiful sunsets? Get ready to check out the sunset at Pismo Beach. That's what I'm fixing to show you. Hey y'all, I'm Cole, and this is Younger Every Day. So basically we bought a fifth wheel, sold most of our stuff in Texas, packed up the kids and the dog, and headed west. Now I'm going to school, and we're loving this crazy RV life. On this channel, we do product reviews, share tips and tricks for RV living, take you on amazing adventures, and share really cool things like this sunset at Pismo Beach. So if you're new here, click subscribe and join the Younger Gang and become a part of our community. And don't forget to ring that bell so you don't miss out on any of our videos. The sunset at Pismo Beach was amazing. I can't put it into words, so let me just show you.
Just standing there with your perfect smile. All I do is close my eyes. It's what you do, making my head spin in circles. How you move, your body's giving me
I really hope you enjoyed that sunset at Pismo Beach. Now we want to know, what's one of your favorite places to watch the sunset? Let us know in the comments below. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video and let us know you liked it. And don't forget to click subscribe and join the Younger Gang. And you can check out some of our other videos right over here. So, going to Pismo Beach and expecting to have a blast in the sun, the sand, and the surf, and then being held captive by the sunset and sharing it with you, that's just another way that we're living younger every day. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.